What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can reset your Barclays Bank's online banking account's password. Now before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move forward, shall we? First step, search for Barclays Bank login and click on where it says login to online banking. It'll bring you to this website, and over here you want to choose which method of login you want to use, and then in the bottom there's going to be don't know your membership number. So there's no such thing as password when you're logging into Barclays Bank. You need to enter your card number, sort code, or your membership number. So go to membership number and click on don't know your membership number. I think you can only reset your membership number currently through online. If you forget your account number or other stuff, you need to visit the bank. And over here, fill up this form by entering your last name over here, your date of birth over here like this, and then choose the type of account you have and enter your card number over here and click on view my membership number. And if the information entered here is correct, it's going to show you your membership number. So that's how it works, because there is no password, so you can't reset your password. All right, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.